When I'm driving down the street and I see a Super Duty and I think it's cool, immediately I think the opposite when I see that V10 badge.
Yeah, dude. Same goes for the OBSs. When those guys that shows pop their hoods and it's like a 460, not interested.
Yeah, if your OBS doesn't have a 7.3 in it, you might as well be driving a Prius. Hold on a sec. Probably just a spam call. Hello?
Agents, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is already in motion. The vehicle is on its way as we speak.
Wait, what vehicle?
I think you're going to like this one, gentlemen. It's indeed a true classic. None other than a 1997 7.3-litre Powerstroke. Yes, the one you're already smiling about. The customer has two goals: tow heavy with confidence and still be a fun daily driver. I need to know, do you accept?
Sounds like my kind of build.
All right, where do we start?
We start with the KC tow package.
Excellent choice, Charlie.
Man, she looks good.
It's pretty nice, man.
Oh, it's a clean OBS. Are you ready for this project?
You ready to help me out, dude?
Good luck.
Thanks.
First up, the new Gen 3 Stage 1 KC300x E99 conversion for faster spool up, perfect for daily driving. You get the wastegate and the smaller housing and the upgraded pedestal.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Why not? Stage 2, louder, bigger, more American.
Yeah, and you're the guy who orders 20 tacos at 2 a.m., dude. Let's just keep it clean and reliable.
Correct. Stage 1 Gen 3 is the key to balance. The mission depends on it.
Next up, full force 180/30 injectors. Enough to really wake up the truck, but it's not gonna sit there and roll coal.
Coal roller? That's not smoke. That's camouflage.
Right, yeah. Camouflage you can see from outer space.
Uncontrolled smoke output is unacceptable.
Hey, Cameron, need any help? Oh, hold on a second, I got a phone call.
And the Hydra chip, switch on the fly, 15 different positions. You can do tow, street, and race all in one unit.
Perfect. Daily driver in the morning, tow monster by lunch, drag ripper by dinner.
Yeah, dude, because the Taco Bell drive-thru at 2 a.m. needs your hottest tune.
Abuse of race mode, not authorized.
We need the Marty's e-fuel kit to help support those larger injectors and get rid of that garbage mechanical factory pump.
So unlike Taco Bell at 2 a.m., this pressure actually stays consistent.
Yeah, and you're probably not going to regret it anymore.
Accurate. Fuel stability prevents digestive consequences.
Oh man, this is looking good. You almost done?
The OBS H-Pop is way too small for this. We're gonna have to go with a full force diesel upgraded H-Pop to fuel those bigger injectors.
Consistency is key.
Yeah, kind of like how you're supposed to consistently post YouTube videos every Friday, not once or twice a month.
Agent activity logs confirm inconsistency detected.
I mean, we're consistently posting late.
I guess it is consistently something.
What's up, Cameron? You working hard or hardly working?
Yes. And then we can pull that back pressure valve out of the pedestal and get rid of all that restriction.
And bellowed up pipes, that way you get the flex with no blowing gaskets.
Or, hear me out, duct tape.
Yeah, you would duct tape a turbo to the side of the fender if you could.
Duct tape is not an option.
Yeah, and it's not required, but if we add an intercooler, it's really gonna make a huge difference for cooling the EGTs.
So basically, air conditioning for the turbo.
Yeah, except, AC that actually works in Arizona.
Heat is the enemy. Cooling is survival.
New exhaust system, gotta let her scream.
Right, dude. Yeah, I've met your neighbors. I don't think they want to hear your 5 a.m. concerts when you're coming out here.
And we gotta do a cold air intake for sure.
Anything but the 6637.
Finally, someone that gets it.
Airflow, the oxygen of this mission. Do not fail.
So basically, everything but cup holders?
Dude, cup holders don't make horsepower.
Tell that to my Baja Blast.
Yeah, those cup holders may not make horsepower, but this new turbo will.
Finally, agreement.
Wow, she's looking
Dude, this thing
good.
looks so sick.
What do you think? Should we get it back on the dyno?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a lot of work.
horsepower, mission accepted. Engaging dynamometer. Add the load. Pull! Woo! Yeah! 410 horsepower, baby! That's what I said!
Mission complete. OBS 7.3 liter Powerstroke. Reborn. This message will now self-destruct.
Whoa. That was my actual phone. Those diehard 6637 guys won't let it go.
You ain't seen nothing, dogs.
You guys are gonna want me back.
Yes.
She sure is pretty. That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I feel like I did most of the work.
Dude, couldn't have done it without you. Hey, bigger isn't always better, Jason.
Yeah, that's what she said. Right?
All right, dyno starting. Yeah. Oh man, you can hear that power. Woo! Yeah!
Do one, but don't look at the camera.
It's gonna get an Oscar. It's fantastic.
Well, but the filtration.
Oh yeah, 410 horsepower, baby. That's what I said. Didn't I say? Look at the camera. 400 to 450. You almost done? Yeah. Okay, hurry up.
All same time.
Triple. All right, here we go. Ready?
Power Rangers. Yeah, because people got 500,000 miles out of their stock filter. That was definitely the problem. It's definitely filtration that causes these things to have issues.
Yeah, there we go. Okay,
Tow monster by lunch and drag strip demon for dinner. By dinner. Shit.
More realistic, up top.
This turned out so good, except for the 6637 filter. Other than that,
Other than that,
almost perfect.
super sick.
Mission complete.